When is the best time to post videos here on YouTube? Well, if you do a search for that, there's a lot of debates, there's a lot of conversation. But me personally, I think it's whenever your audience is online. So if you have an audience like I do in one of my channels where everybody is an adult and typically they are working during the day, potentially it's not good to release at 8 o'clock in the morning because no one's going to see them. Everybody's at work, right? So usually in that channel, I've done a lot of testing and I usually release videos around 7 p.m. and it seems to work okay for me. But that's kind of like the idea, right? Release video wherever the majority of your audience is able to see them. But nevertheless, there are some things that YouTube show you here in the analytics. I'm going to show it to you guys. Welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. I definitely appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and all that good stuff. I definitely appreciate that. But we're going to share the screen, and I'm going to show you that. So here we are in the Content Creator Tools channel, and we just hit 102 subscribers. Very excited. Pretty new channel, but very excited what we're doing here. And we're going to come up here to my picture. We're going to click, and we're going to click on YouTube Studio. All right, now we're going to go into analytics. So if you go all the way to the left, you're going to click analytics, and this is going to be the analytics that we have in the channel. About 9,000 views in the last 28 days, 162 hours plus 32 subscribers. This channel continues to get views, and again, we're going to continue to work it. About 460 views in the last 48 hours, right? So from here, you got a lot of information. Obviously, you got information on some of the videos that are ranking good, but if you go into audience, you're going to see some information here that is definitely very important. New viewers versus returning viewers and all that stuff. You're going to come a little bit down, and right here you're gonna get when your viewers are on YouTube. So if you see that right there, that is important information because as you look through that, you can see some of the information. So for example, Sunday around 8 o'clock, many of your viewers are on YouTube, right? That's good, right? So if you release at 12 o'clock in the morning, some of your viewers, right? So not too many people are going to watch it. Look at this. 1 o'clock in the morning, it says few of your viewers. So do you want to release a video 1 o'clock in the morning? Absolutely nah, but obviously, as you can see here, Sunday is not really a great day to release according to this analytics because obviously, if I would be releasing once a day, it wouldn't be the day that I would pick, right? But if you look into Monday, around 10 a.m., very many of your viewers are here, right? But if you go all the way down here, 5 p.m., some of your viewers are there. So what time do you want to release? Do you want to release at 5 p.m. or do you want to release, I don't know, let's say 10 a.m., a lot of viewers, maybe release at 9 a.m. so your viewers are there. The moment that they log in, they're going to expect to see your content. And again, you can look through some of these days right here and see when is the best time. Obviously, as you get more analytics into it, those things are going to fluctuate. So you could kind of do that. Me personally, I've been releasing every single day in this channel. And I've been releasing at 8 o'clock in the mornings in this channel and trying to build content in this channel. And to me, that also does something because now my audience know that every day at 8 o'clock in the morning, I do release content in the channel. So a lot of the guys are already subscribed. They could come back if they want to because they notice that I release daily. But nevertheless, you do want to kind of like have a schedule where you pick the day that you want to release, the time that you want to release. But really, this information right here that we're seeing here could potentially help you make the better decision. And I just show you where it is. There you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you on the next one.